Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we're gonna build an app by using SwiftUI and Realm Flexible Sync for data persistence over device and cloud. So I would like to start with my Xcode. So here it's our code that you will see. We have a SwiftUI project and we have only adding the Realm dependency here, and also we have two simulators. So our target will be building this app that you will see we run it in two different devices, and when we do any change in each side, it will go and affect in other sides. So for example, I'm gonna update this one to medium. You will see right away this change in medium as well. Also, I have my data in over cloud that we can easily administrate our data with one user-friendly admin tools. So yeah, let's go back here and do some tests with the app, because this is gonna be our target, and at the end of this series we will have this project. So here you will see we can go over data and update it. For example, I'm gonna make this test request. You will see as soon as I change in other sides, it's change as well. Add 10 here and update, and here you will see when I all my change will become over here in backend as well. So yeah, and even I can delete, and as soon as I delete it, it will delete in other side as well. And this how will be our and you know, you will see I change status of my request. So overall this is a kind of library for you send requests to borrow a book. And yeah, let me just add one new request as well. So test for example, test request number 3 with low priority. It will come here. I can get it to the assign, or I can change priority on it, and this will be very fast and synced in over all devices. So this is the second device. I can do change here and have it in the my other device, and also in my cloud. So yeah, this will be what we will have at the end of this series. So let's go and start with making an account over MongoDB. So I'm gonna Google MongoDB, and I'll go here the roots. I can start, so I just say yeah, start for free, and here I just use my account, my Google account. I already logged in here, and accept policy, submit, and here I start to build my account with MongoDB. This is free forever. I will have 512 megabytes data, and here I can create a database. So I build a database, and here yes, free forever, and when I get happy with this, I'm gonna extend it. So yeah, I'm gonna create, and here I can say where I want to have over AWS, cloud, or Azure. So I'll go by AWS, and This is my cluster. You will see 512 megabit storage. And later, anytime you find that your business can run and afford it, so you can go and get better servers to make your business real. And here it's options that you can have backup, even avoid termination. And here your cluster name, I just name it a test cluster, because we're gonna work with this a lot in this. So test cluster, and yeah, BySQL. Oh my god, vehicle. Okay, and here I can create a user and password. So yeah, I type a user, test user, and password. I should use the special character. Let me try something simple. And yes, I almost have everything ready. Also, yeah, I'm gonna add my current IP. That's I can I be able to administrate this. So here I will have my cluster ready. And also you see how fast I made it. Also, I can make an app service, which is Realm, and later I'm gonna config this app service for my app. So here you can say build your own app, and this gonna be test cluster. Gonna use test cluster as a data source, and my application name, I'm gonna change it to test app. And again, I can say where I want it. I'm gonna go same over AWS, and single region. We can make it a global region as well if you like, which is about the data transfer between servers. So this time we are using free tier, so we are good. So yeah, I made my app, and this is some guide that's I'm gonna you can go over it later. Okay, so I made one cluster over Atlas, which is our MongoDB, and as a test cluster. There's no collection yet. I'm not gonna make it now. Here you will see how easy I make it with my app. And then here I have one app service under MongoDB that helped me to set up my app to be my cloud for my SwiftUI app. So let me go back to this and just we will review, and in next part we will go over details. So here you will see we have one main function that starts our SwiftUI, and over this we're gonna go content view, and in content view we're gonna go by request list, and also add and some space which make our this part and this list, and a spacer that push this up if the this data being small, fill this part. And yeah, then we will have some view. Also we will have one service to do our own. It's very easy to go app. And yeah, in next part we will go over it.